Hi everybody, welcome back. Every day in our conversations, we tend to disagree with what others are saying or their decisions. So in this video, we are going to talk about different expressions which you can use to show your disagreement with others' actions, decisions, or point of view. Let's begin. I don't think so. Well, you could be right. It sounds interesting, but I'm afraid, but I don't agree with what you are saying. That's partly true, but it is not as simple as it seems. That is not how I see it. To some extent, I agree with you, but I see your point, but no way. On the contrary, I'm not so sure about that. Me too, but this is it for today's video. Share this video with those who might benefit from this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.